your fan.
Hey guys.
Hey guys. Welcome back. And right now, we are going to be testing all of our fidget. I don't know why Grayson brought her fan from Japan and Disney.
Or in Epcot, we got it. We went to Disney.
Okay, no, put that
That's
away.
why we were filming those crazy videos at the pool and stuff.
Yeah, so, yeah. So we are going to be testing all of our... Stop. Put the fan
away. I am.
Put the fan away.
Here's the case.
Yeah.
And look at
testing. Oh my God! Stop showing off your fan.
Okay, I'm done.
Gotta wait putting it away. Just put it to the side. Don't throw that. That's really good. That was expensive. Okay, we're gonna be testing all of our fidgets we have for the 18th time.
Here are all of our fidgets.
No,
that's a lot.
That's just a sneak peek.
Just so you know, I'm still in my pajamas.
So are we.
And you cannot see my underwear. Okay, it's fine.
Okay, so the first one, Nita. By the way, we're also going to be rating them, so.
You hear the sound.
It's satisfying, right?
Yes. 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
Here, this one next.
No, yeah. Okay.
This
is from a game.
This is from a game we have. I'll go get it.
No. Not sponsored.
I don't think it can.
It's called Throw Through the Burrito.
No,
go.
Upside down though.
Go.
You know how to play it, right? Hopefully.
If you have the game. Yeah, that was just something extra.
It's very squishy because it's a dodgeball game and they don't want you to get hurt.
10 out of 10.
Doesn't
Smack test? Smack test?
Oh, read the camera. Sorry if that kind of sounded weird.
It's good.
Okay, this.
Okay.
Dumpling.
10 out of 10. It's a dumpling.
Mm-hmm.
Is that pea in the middle?
I don't like dumplings.
I love dumplings.
But
10 out of 10.
I do like Chinese
10 out of 10.
So it's 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. I'm going to do this one. We're going to do all the slimes we have last. The squishies first, then the poppets.
This isn't pea.
It's egg.
It's
okay.
Egg, or it is
Okay.
Or it's
so
like
this one,
butter.
9 out of 10. Not squishy enough.
Yeah.
9 out of 10.
I am back.
9 out of 10.
Sorry, she's getting text messages.
Yeah, I am getting. Okay. So
Emerson, what are you looking at? The Roblox girls.
Stop text talking about it. Okay, so this is a bread. I like it. 9 out of 10. 9 out of 10?
It's my bread, but look at it.
No.
It broke. Okay.
9 out of 10.
This. Orbeez.
And
wait,
did we get all the squishies down?
No.
Yeah, we got all the squishies down.
Then can I?
Yes.
Look. Orbeez, now let's open them.
I want the pink one. Orbeez.
I'm just
Yeah,
gonna
we just
hold
had
it
to
here.
move.
Just for now.
Grayson, get in the camera. Squish.
I wouldn't squish them if I were you. Okay, put them back.
Okay. Yeah, because these are real. Oops. And
Am I covering the camera? Sorry. And this is probably really loud. Okay.
If it is, she's sorry.
Sorry. If
Hiya.
it's like.
Oh. It's up my arm. She's dying.
Look at this squish. It's gonna squish.
No, you said not to squish them, girl.
Well, I want to show them that it's squished.
Don't throw it
There,
on
look.
me.
It's squished. I squished it.
Okay, now
It's-
put it back. Don't just
I squished it. There's pieces of it now.
go. Okay.
Do it.
5 out
This
of 10. 5
slime.
Out of 10. No, slime's last. We're gonna do.
Well, this is last. Because
Let's
it's
do
the biggest.
Poppets now. We're gonna. Ooh, this one's really nice, isn't it, Grayson?
The other side's that.
Well, it's really nice.
Okay.
Okay, 10 out of 10. Do it. 10.
You don't even know where we put them. You think we put them down here?
We threw them off camera. Ready? Just gonna throw them all off camera. We'll clean it up later.
Look.
Eat. We can't throw this.
Can't do that. Or it'll spill everywhere and make a big.
Just gonna put that behind the camera.
We just cleaned.
Yeah. Okay. So this one, it actually can absorb
Glow
the
in the
sun.
dark.
So it's not glow in the dark.
It's like kind of.
It color changes. So come with me. Come with me.
Let's go.
Oh, you forgot the camera. Out in the sun. We're gonna set this out in the sun. It's not very sunny. Hi, Casey. But I'm gonna set it here. This one. We'll show that in another video.
Yeah, once
This
we do
is
it.
overactivated slime that we are not gonna touch because I don't want to get my hands sticky. And later today, we are gonna have a special video with our friend, who is also a YouTuber.
But she only has 5 subscribers.
Her name is.
Type in Casey Clear. And
Okay,
if I'll make another video and I'll talk to you about it.
We will tell you when she gets there, okay?
She only made like 3
should subscribe.
videos. But
You should subscribe.
Everyone who subscribed here, if you're not subscribed to
her.
my friend, you should
How
subscribe.
dare. She's very nice.
And you should subscribe to my grandma's channel. Actually, she doesn't even make a video. She doesn't even
do
have
anything.
subscribers.
Like
she doesn't
nobody.
even know. So let's move on to this.
Okay. It's not good. Yeah, it's not good. No.
Wait, hear this. It's squeaky.
Yeah, 0 out of 10. Okay, so I found these. They're not. They're gonna break something.
These are
I found
stuff.
these charms.
They're charms for bracelets.
They're squishy. I mean, at least they're
You put 'em
squishy.
on.
Hey, they're
You're
squishy.
not supposed to squish them.
Well, 10 out of 10. They're cute.
Ice cream wrapper.
Yeet. Okay.
Chocolate milk.
Nobody cares about 0. It's terrible.
You can't even pop it.
It's terrible. Look.
Eat
it.
You can't even pop it.
Oh, you can pop this side, but
The
the
other
other
side
side
is horrible.
Get out. No, not yet.
Not yet. Slimes
This
are last,
one.
you said. And then that pop it.
I keep trying to grab the slime. So we have a mega. No. No. This is good. 10.
And please subscribe. I forgot
Yeah,
to tell you
please
that.
subscribe.
Subscribe to us. And all the people we tell you. And like the video.
Okay.
And watch the whole video.
That's kind of awkward.
to see the end.
This is kind of awkward.
Watch the whole video to see the best fidget.
The best fidget and watch till the end so then you can see the poppet. I don't know if it'll work, but I'll probably send a picture.
It's a big pop.
I'll probably put a picture in it.
Our cousins got it for us in Texas
Yes.
before we even made a new video. You probably
Okay,
didn't.
10 out of 10. I don't know why I keep saying this. 10. This is amazing. There's no bad side.
Yeah, there
You're
is
just
no
like,
bad
I
side.
need to test it.
You test it all the time first. So I'm testing the next one.
Okay, that's
first.
good. No slime.
I love this. This is the best poppet ever. 20 out of 10. Look, there's no bad side to it.
20 out of
Hey,
10.
here are the pops.
It's so beautiful.
No bad side.
Okay. It's beautiful.
Yay!
Don't eat that.
I said yay, not eat.
I'm getting it.
Oopsies, she didn't mean to touch the camera. She didn't mean to do that.
That wasn't. Something's happening. But sorry about that. Yeah, sorry about that. Sorry that we dropped the camera.
Yeah, that was kind of funny.
It was kind of funny. Sorry we dropped you.
Did it look black and did it make a big sound?
I bet it did. Oh.
Look, I want to make a bracelet.
No.
Out of
That's
2
for,
rubber bands.
That's for another video.
Oh,
You're giving them a hint on the next video, Grayson.
how? What's our next video going to be about?
You forgot we're not making anything. Yeah.
Did you hear that? We said blah, 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 blah.
Yeah, that's what we said.
Look.
Stop making.
Ah.
No! I'll show you them in your underwear.
No.
Okay. I like unicorns, so this is nice. I like this.
This is good.
Okay, this is a 5 out of 10.
Yay. You threw it so far.
Yes. 10.
Come on.
There's 10
I
out of
still
10.
need to test it. You never let me use it that
Pop test. Okay, come on. Okay, 10 out of 10.
I'm gonna throw it.
Yeah, you
Yay.
Okay. Yeah. This one's cute.
Yeah, it's cute, but does it do good pop?
Yes, it does do good pops.
This side doesn't have good pops. That side does.
10 out of 10.
The smaller the poppet, and then
The better the pops.
yeah, no, it's because if you have a small poppet and you have the bad side, there's less to pop for the bad side.
This one is really cute. It's really cute. I like it a lot.
Oh, it's for Valentine's Day.
I got this at my Valentine's party. 10 out of 10.
Yeah.
We'll show you how, and we will do a test and see how far we yeeted all of them. Near the end of the video.
How?
We will show them the yeet and see which one we yeeted farthest.
How will we? We have to measure how far they went?
No, we're just going to see which one went the farthest.
Okay.
Okay, this one is adorable. Look how. Wait, there's little hearts on.
Wait, look, I want to show you your little hearts.
Okay, they can't.
No, I want to show
Some little hearts.
If you see them.
10 out of 10.
Then it is.
10 out of 10.
I didn't even test it.
It's 10 out
You
of 10.
didn't even say yeet. It's fun.
Okay, yo-yo. We're not going to test the yo-yo.
Why?
Because when I can't do yo-yo.
No, let's just try it.
Okay, let's try.
Okay,
Let me wrap it up.
Okay. Let's go.
Let's go. I did it.
You got it.
Okay.
Barely did
4
it.
out of 10. We can't throw this.
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, that made a loud noise. I bet it just went.
10 out of 10. Immediate 10 out of 10.
I don't want to throw this. It might break it. So we'll just go like this.
Okay, don't throw it!
I'm not throwing it. I'm going to put it in a random spot. Right here.
Okay, she just set it
Instead
down.
of throwing it, I'll put it in a random spot.
Okay, it's time for slimes. Now, this is actually from another YouTuber. but we're not gonna
Blushing bees. It shrunk a lot.
It did shrink a lot.
I get to use the bees my slime. Look.
Hey, but I have to try it out too.
I know, you will. stretch it out. You don't have to wash your hands, but we won't play it before you use it, but we won't play with it.
Oh, there's a cute charm. Let's show them the charm.
Yeah.
It's radioactive
Gummy scoop slime that I got.
Okay, it's getting my hands messy, so let's put it back in.
Hold on, here's the charm.
The charm's cute.
It's a metallic gummy bear.
Metallic gummy bear. Yeah.
Don't throw that. I'll just put it in a different spot.
Just stick it somewhere. No! Why do you keep trying to throw things? Okay, so this one Grayson got. Yeah. Wait, can I show you the bottom? We gotta do the drop test. Ready?
Oh, you have to. I'll
jiggly.
show you the drop test.
It's jiggling. 3, 2, 1. Okay. Sorry, that was our mom.
Hold on. Now sit down. I'm gonna go close the door.
Mommy, hiya. 10. Oh, it'd be gassy.
That was the
people.
door.
Yeah, it'd be gassy. Okay, so this one is my slime, so I get to test it first. It has the super cute charm.
Wait, you have to show the whole thing.
Of
You
a
have to show the
mermaid.
tail.
Of a mermaid Hello
No,
Kitty.
hold it like this, so then you can see
Mermaid
the tail.
Hello Kitty.
And you see
It's
everything.
adorable.
Wait, hold on.
I want to show them the slime.
Yeah, look.
It's so cute. I love Hello Kitty. Okay.
Wait, show the cover of it first.
Hey, yo.
It's backwards.
It is Hello Kitty slimy goop. Okay.
Gloop. Not goop.
Gloop.
And let's
really nice.
let's show it like in a really cute looking, and then we'll just
Okay,
put
ready?
the charm
Ready?
in the
Ready?
middle.
Put the camera down. You need to see it. Hold the camera.
Every Tuesday, Thursday for the next 2 weeks. It's going to start paying.
Okay, I'll get
Put
you
it
out.
by the mic
Listen
and look.
and look at the Hello Kitty.
No, I could see you pop it. Right? That we were showing last.
No. I hope not.
I
10.
I didn't get to pick.
10,000 out of 10.
This slime is not good.
10 out of 10. That one was 10 out of 10. This one is 10,000 out of 10. I would definitely recommend buying this. You can get it at like 5 Below or something.
Yeah, you got it at 5 Below.
Recommend.
Look at my hands.
Yeah, look at her hands.
Look at all the little white balls.
Yeah,
White balls.
white balls. But we gotta put them back in. It's a little bit messy,
Yeah.
so
But you can still play with it.
you can still play with it. I love this. And now it's time for the grand finale.
Wait, she doesn't put this charm in here because she said it was really hard to get out.
It is hard to get out. Okay, ready for the grand finale. Give me
Wait,
a drum
you
roll.
have to throw these.
No, we don't.
Or just pretend to.
Don't throw them. Well, I'm just going to throw this
I'm trying to throw and see how far they can go. Oh, you didn't see my underwear.
Okay, well, it's time for the grand finale. Give me a drum
Here,
roll,
look,
please.
you can't see it yet.
Okay, no. Drum roll, please.
Yeah. Sure, it'll be like a transition.
Our giant butterfly. Ta-da!
Yeah,
It's
show the
bigger
whole
than
thing.
my head.
It's from our cousins. Our cousins got us for it.
Cha.
Wanted us, sorry.
Okay, let's go test this.
Yes.
Here, you can test it first, Grayson.
No, you can't see my underwear.
Test it first. Grayson's gonna test it. Is it good? Okay, I hope it's good. Cha.
Now Emerson's turn to do this. It's so pretty. I don't want to pop it.
These are nice pops.
You see that as a good angle?
Look how beautiful it is.
Right there is a good angle.
Beautiful. It's gonna fly. Ready?
I will. Me.
Okay, ready to throw it? Do you guys want to see me throw it?
Yeah, let's look.
Hi-ya!
Now this is which one got the farthest?
Now we're gonna see.
Hold on.
So in 10th place we have
The
burrito.
The
Then
burrito
we
got last.
Which one's
This one.
Next we have the dumpling. Then the bread. And then a cat. No, I'm just kidding.
No, that's.
And then we have this one.
the squishy.
And then the pineapple. Okay, come with me.
I think it made a really loud noise. If it did, then
And then
sorry.
we have this. My least favorite in one.
Probably making a really loud noise. Sorry.
2, 3, 4, 5. In 5th place. And then in 6th place we have the Neato.
Let's show it.
Beautiful Neato.
Neato.
And then we have,
What about this?
this is 5th. And then we have
You pop it.
the Pop.
The pot for fish pop it.
Jinx.
Jinx.
It doesn't matter, okay?
Well, you
Grab.
can still talk. Okay, I'm trying not to make a really loud noise for you guys because then it'll hurt your ears and you'll click
We
off.
have this puppet. Grayson's.
She dropped.
In 8th, we have this puppet. In 9th, we have this puppet, my least favorite one.
Yeah, it should be last.
And then in 10th, we have the butterfly heart puppet. Then we have
It's like
this.
No, I think that is a heart with wings.
Yeah. Then we have this.
Infinity cube.
Infinity cube. And then we have
Blushing
slime.
I did not throw it. I just put it in a random spot.
And
Closed
then
my
we
eyes.
have
Slime glue.
slimy glue.
Hello Kitty.
And then we have the crazy art tie-dye purple sign.
And also, it was supposed to be tie-dye, but it all got mixed together, and now it's purple.
And then we have the cute gingerbread.
Yes.
And then we have the bear.
Oh, what is this?
It's a pen.
It's a pen. Where'd you get it?
Okay, and then the bear.
They're really cute.
And
Good
then
The unicorn.
unicorn that fell under the table.
That went under the table.
Ow. Sorry. And then the grand winner is
The butterfly puppet.
puppet.
It's gonna fly away.
No, this one only came in like 16. Because this one is the farthest.
How'd it get over there?
The popsicle.
It's starting to turn pink.
Pink, blue, and then that one says white, I'm pretty sure.
Look, in the middle, it's starting to turn pink.
Yeah.
Okay. Look outside. It's so filthy and yucky.
Okay.
Now for Pepsi Captain Jill.
Now let's come back to
Oopsies. I made it.
spots. We will clean this up.
Yeah.
Remember that.
Now, those were all of our fidgets. Sadly, we have to end the video. But like the video, subscribe.
Like and subscribe, and we will see you next time.
Bye.